A very good morning, dear students. In this pandemic situation, I have brought something new for the students of class 6, 7, and above than it also. Actually, actually students will enjoy more. Suppose that you are going to teach chemistry, so in the chemistry subject you have to read about the atomic number and atom's name. So now I am going to show you something in a three-dimensional form. Suppose that you are going to teach about the hydrogen. So atomic number of the hydrogen is 1, and see, it's looking very nicely na, and you are watching the structure of the hydrogen and how many atoms are present in that. So this is three-dimensional form. Okay, and if you will touch this one, W letter, this will give you all details related with hydrogen. So now see what is in this given. It is just like a Wikipedia for that. Okay, so here it is written that hydrogen is the chemical element with the symbol of H and atomic number is 1 with a standard atomic weight of 0.008. Hydrogen is the lightest element in the periodic table. So got it? Okay, now see, next thing I am going to show you. Okay, helium. So let me remove first hydrogen. Okay, I have removed hydrogen. So atomic number of helium is 2, and it will look like, okay, how nicely it's moving. And again you can get the knowledge about the helium also. Now see, very soon it will represent on the screen. Yes, what is written here? Helium is a chemical element with the symbol He and atomic number 2. It is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-toxic, inert, monatomic gas, the first in the noble gas group in the periodic table. So all details are given here. Whenever you will go through this one, all things will represent here. And I hope by pausing this video you may write all the important points related with one. Okay, who invented it, what was the name of the scientist, everything is mentioned here. Now see, I'm showing you whole details about it, and I hope you will enjoy more. It is especially for the class 6, 7, 8, 9 students. I think they will enjoy more. So my main motto to make this video, that's why you can enjoy your study at home and you will learn more. Got it? So I hope it is very useful for you. Thank you. Next I'm going to show you, see, first let me remove it. Okay, and now I'm going to show you about the lithium. So we all know, now see the presentation of the atoms in it, how nicely it's moving around its orbit, and the atomic number of the lithium is 3. So again we can get all details through the Wikipedia like this, and I hope it will very useful to prepare your notes also. Now see how nicely it's looking. The short form Li, and the, you always keep in your mind the first letter of this atom should be L, and after that letter, next letter which one will come, that will in small. Okay, so it is written here that lithium is a chemical element with a symbol Li and atomic number is 3. It is a soft silvery white alkali metal. Under standard condition it is the lightest metal and the lightest solid element. I'm not going to read all the things whatever is written here, I'm just going to show you. Okay, so if you want to get more details about this, that's why I'm showing you all the things whatever written here. Got it? Okay, now see, yes, so I hope it will very useful for you. Yes, next, see, I'm going to flash you about the next thing. See, here is beryllium. Okay, so the atomic number of this beryllium is 4, and all things you will get through the Wikipedia. Again I am going to show you all details, and you will write down all the things. My main motto to make this video, that's why you will feel comfortable and you will learn all the things and you will get all details to prepare your notes, and it will very useful for you. Got it? That's why I'm showing slowly each and everything. That's why you can prepare your notes very well. Okay, and yes, I think this will enough for you. Next, I'm going to show you about the next thing. See, uh, yes, yes, next is boron. Okay, atomic number 5. Got it? So boron, how nicely it's moving na. In the same way we can show details about this in this video. You will enjoy all details to prepare your notes. Yes, boron. Now see, boron is a chemical element with the symbol B and atomic number 5, produced entirely by cosmic ray aspallation and supernova and hot by stellar nucleosynthesis. It is a low abundance element in the solar system and in the earth crust. All more details are here. You may go through these details. Okay, yes, I think it is very useful for you. Next I'm going to show you, see, in this way, in this video now I can show you all elements with their three-dimensional structure. See, all elements are flashing here. You are all watching the name. You may also write down the name of these elements, and what are the atomic number is also flashing here, and what are the symbol of these elements. These all things are flashing here. So in the next video when I will come now, I will show you the next element whose atomic number is 6. Okay, so till then you have to enjoy this much. I hope it will very useful. Thank you so much.